Brilliant bowling. That is absolutely unreal. Always bowling. Absolute peach early on for Malinga. The ever exciting, massive Malinga strikes with his second ball.
Shane Warne, clipping the top of off stump. That's absolutely exactly what the Australians needed.
It's coming that way from an outstanding in-swinging Yorker. That is brilliant bowling.
What a great delivery, left arm round the wicket. Alan Lamb has been cleaned up. Perhaps so too England. Oh, what a ball, what a magnificent dusra. That is absolute magic bowling. He tossed that one up, it went the other way, and there's no doubt about the fact Tagova did not pick it. What a ball. Oh, what a cracker of a delivery. Picked up another one, and that was an absolutely beautiful ball. Kuldeep done it with a beauty. That's a superb delivery. Eaten through the defence, and how often does it strike for India? The wicket taker Kuldeep Yadav.
Oh my goodness, what about the thinking there?
Well, this ball to any left-handed batsman is going to cause some trouble. Oh, that's a beauty. That is an absolute jaffer from Archer. Nip back in, bail trimmer. What a star he's going to be.
A fantastic delivery, and what's important is the length.
Holding, quick, straight. Really good delivery, that one from Brett Lee.
Superb bowling by Brett Lee. That would have been too good for a top order batsman, let alone a tailender.
Oh, bowling with an absolute japper. That is a real beauty, Shazad.
Good seam position, holding its line and hitting on top of the off stump. Superb delivery, and he knows it.
Was Yorker brilliant? Lasset Malinga at his best.
Hold on. What a superb delivery from Chaminda Vas. That swung, pitched off and hit the outside of the off stump, and there's no way you pluck those.
Oh, wonderful bowling. Wonderful bowling from Andy Bickle. This has changed the game round entirely.
Superb delivery. I think that would have got almost any player in the world out.
Bowled him as well. Goodness me. Oh, it's bowled him. Brilliant start from Behrendorff. That swing there, it's gone through Vince's defences. What a start for Australia.
He's provided an absolute peach. The perfect delivery to a right-hander.
Oh, beautifully bowled. Beautifully bowled by James Anderson. What a moment for him.
Perfect delivery. Dipping on him at the last moment.